When it comes to overlanding, your vehicle's suspension is one of the most important components for ensuring a smooth and safe journey across rugged terrains. Upgrading your suspension system will not only provide better handling, but it will also enhance load carrying capacity and increase the durability of your ride. And to help you choose the right one today, we'll talk about 5 of the best suspension upgrades for overlanding, ensuring your off-road adventures are as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Let's begin. The Oldman Emu BP51 shock absorbers offer an exceptional combination of comfort, control, and durability for on and off the paved roads. Built with advanced technology, these shock absorbers feature an adjustable internal bypass system that enhances performance both on and off-road. One of the standout features is the position-sensitive damping, which increases control in the end zones while maintaining comfort at standard ride height. This means that whether you're navigating rough terrain or cruising on smooth roads, this suspension system adapts to provide an optimal ride. Made with 6061 anodized aluminum, this one not only dissipates heat more effectively, but also offers superior corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability than steel. The shock absorbers undergo rigorous testing, including dyno, real-world, and destructive tests, to meet ARB's high standards for performance and durability. Additionally, the BP51 is highly user-friendly, featuring external, independent rebound and compression adjustments that allow for fine-tuning based on specific vehicle, load, or trip conditions. The bolt-in application means that no modifications are necessary, making installation straightforward. Overall, in our opinion, the Oldman Emu BP51 shock absorbers remain one of the top choices for its enhanced ride quality, performance, and long-term reliability. Now, if gear like this gets you fired up for your next trip, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We've got more trail-tested picks coming your way. Featuring a 3-way damping adjustment system, the Dobinsons MR suspension kit stands out as one of the most advanced and high-performance suspension upgrades available for off-road enthusiasts. Built upon the race-winning monotube remote reservoir shock absorber platform, this kit is engineered for those seeking serious off-road capability without compromising on ride comfort. With a focus on superior shock control, the 3-way adjustment system allows fine-tuning of high-speed compression, low-speed compression, and rebound damping, giving drivers unmatched adaptability across varying terrains and load conditions. The inclusion of a 6063 honed aluminum reservoir, a revised lightweight floating piston, and a composite wear band drastically reduces friction, ensuring a smoother ride. The improved 3-stage sealing system and ability to run lower gas pressures also contribute to the system's durability and efficiency. With massive 50 and 60 millimeter bores and remote oil reservoirs, the MRR kit ensures greater oil capacity and temperature stability, which minimizes shock fade and keeps performance consistent. Add to that a 15-stage rebound adjustment and high-flow billet aluminum pistons, and you have a system that not only boosts handling, but also enhances driver confidence in the most rugged conditions. In our opinion, the Dobinsons MRR suspension kit is a complete transformation of your 4x4 into a finely tuned terrain-conquering machine. The Bilstein B85100 is arguably one of the best entry-level suspension upgrades for drivers who want a perfect balance of performance, reliability, and ease of installation. Its 46mm monotube design ensures consistent, fade-free performance across all driving conditions, whether you're commuting on pavement or tearing through off-road trails. One notable feature is the patented digressive valving, which allows the shock to instantly respond to changing surfaces, delivering a stable and controlled ride. This intelligent design means better handling and comfort, no matter where you're headed. Installation is a breeze thanks to OEM-certified hardware and a direct-fit bolt-on setup. You can literally bolt them on and head out. No custom fabrication or shop time required. This makes the B85100 ideal for anyone who wants to upgrade their suspension without hassle. Durability is another high point. Zinc plating protects against corrosion from harsh elements, while vulcanized neoprene rubber bushings add long-lasting resilience. What really sets the Bilstein 5100 apart, though, is its application-specific tuning. These shocks are not one-size-fits-all. They're specifically designed for your vehicle's year, make, and model. Factors like towing capacity, tire pressure, and load weight are all considered to fine-tune your ride quality. This means whether your truck is loaded up for a road trip or stripped down for trail runs, the B85100 adjusts to perform at its best. All things considered, it's the go-to upgrade for those wanting better ride quality without breaking the bank. The Fox Performance Series 2.0 Coil-Over IFP shock is a superior suspension upgrade, especially for those who are into full-time off-roading. Designed for rugged use and comfort alike, this bolt-on coilover system combines advanced engineering with high-quality materials to deliver reliable, top-tier performance. Its 2-inch impact extruded and CNC machined 6061 T6 aluminum body not only resists rust but also dissipates heat more efficiently than steel, ensuring long-term durability and consistent performance under harsh conditions. A key feature of this system is its internal floating piston mono tube design, which separates the shock oil from the high-pressure nitrogen gas chamber. This setup eliminates oil aeration, allowing the factory-tuned precision valving to operate at its best, even in aggressive terrain. The high-flow piston is race-developed, offering optimized damping for off-road scenarios while still maintaining a smooth on-road ride. Installation is straightforward with a bolt-on design that requires no modifications, and it's engineered specifically to level the truck from front to rear. Its application-specific valving and racing-quality coil springs are selected to provide the perfect spring rate for various trucks, whether stock or lifted. Locking spring preload rings allow for easy ride height adjustment, adding to the product's customizability and appeal. With noise-isolating composite bushings and anodized CNC machined components, the Fox Performance Series 2.0 Coil-Over IFP stands out as a premium suspension choice that expertly balances everyday comfort with rugged, off-road dependability. It's a must-have upgrade for serious adventurers. The Oldman Emu Nitro charger is easily the best budget pick for off-road junkies looking to enhance their vehicle's performance without breaking the bank. Designed with off-road capability in mind, its twin-tube construction offers a tough outer reserve tube that protects internal components from rough terrain, making it a reliable option for serious adventurers. The Nitro charger is more than just durable. It significantly improves vehicle control and comfort, increases ride height, and boosts load carrying capacity, making it a well-rounded upgrade for any off-roader. What really sets the Nitro charger apart is its internal engineering. The high-flow piston design reduces aeration and keeps oil temperatures in check, ensuring consistent performance even under extreme conditions. This is critical when tackling long, punishing trails where lesser shocks would fade. Additionally, the multi-disc compression valving provides greater tuning flexibility, giving users optimal ride and handling performance tailored to their needs. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or hauling heavy loads, the shock's responsiveness makes a noticeable difference. Another standout feature is the use of high-quality petroleum-based oil. This specialized fluid is formulated to resist fade and aeration, further extending the life and effectiveness of the shock absorber. In summary, the Oldman Emu Nitro charger is a smart investment for anyone seeking dependable performance, comfort, and durability on a budget. It delivers the kind of high-end features typically found in pricier options, making it a go-to choice for budget-conscious four-wheel drive owners. So, that was our list of 5 best suspension upgrades for overlanding. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful.